Ka Indian National Congress kepada nakaliang persya ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela Meghalaya ha ke sinengkong jong ketayo. Kalau buat dak jengkeli ke rai badang syen jong ke sorkar jela ban Ailad ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bahkan Shim Shihajar laispa saupusan point nyawar kelur tengka. Tang ban siu karam thiet boarding ni company baper jong ke sorkar pedeng. Ha Dawa ru bantung no dak jing Tohkit ke balat luat kum ka Central Bureau of Investigation ha ke bedai bat ki kam jersey ki badan ha ke negat Jingtreikam jong ke sorkar jela. Kani kesur jong keseng Kongres kelami nong ai ketian jong keseng Zenit sangma ubadairu MLA Karang Sakona ber General Secretary ke All India Congress Committee ha ke jing ekran baiklat patai kubor jong ke jela ha ke nong ba Shillong. Katkum ke jingong jong nu he ke Kongres ke jing Ailad man Shim Shihajar laispa saupusan point nyawar kelur tengka ya ke MeECL kandai ke jing penkit ke bakia bahai ke Tnad namar kani ke Tnad kan hab ban siu ke sud ke bakot kandai point san na ke shispa ke ban long shipau kelur tengka shibnai naduk bayo pediang ya garam. La ban kedau bah katayo balala ka kenhun menteri kala ai ke jing menjur ya ke jing terwa jong ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited ban Shim ke negaram hapo ke atma nirbhar bharat abhiyan ban loong bai ke nekarai la Shim namar kadau bah ke jing num khajna jong ke Tnad ka bakit bon karam thet boarding kala syak ta ajur na ke jing len shop jong ka klam COVID-19. Uneu he ke seng Kongres ulabu jingkeli bahato kene ke jing Shim kan pen mentoi shisha ya ke MeECL ne kan pen mentoi tang ya ke Central Public Sector Undertaking jong ke sarkar pedeng kum ke NIPCO ke NTPC bat ke OTPC ki ban sayo biang ya pisa bala pensa da ke Tnad MeECL bat kum juru konong airam ka ban yo ke sud ke bahe.
While taking loan, we should always look at the interest, the burden. The interest is 9.5%, which is very high. Pay the interest of more than 10 crores per month from the day it receives the loan till the completion of 3 years, and after 3 years, they will have to start giving repayment of the principal money along with the interest for another 7 years. It's a complete mess in the management of MeECL.
Hagani kesngi unu uhet nong yalam ke Kongres ula kentho teng eru ya ke sorkar jela halor ke jing bamla ban maramot ya artli ki machine jong ke yam hydroelectric project kabalam ke jing do nong jong ke jela da shispa klor tengka. Kini ke artli ki machine ki kenthop ya kawai hak yam hydroelectric project stage 3 bat kawai hak yam hydroelectric project stage 4 ki bala ban penmi boarding live ho megawatt. Katkum ke jing ong jong u ke jing do nong na ke jing bam la maramot kini ki kor kalakot live pun rulak tengka hak sisngi. Bala da ken ngene pisa na ke benta live ho sngi ka jing do nong kan kot sya ka shipo point pra klor tengka bat hak sisnem kan kot shispa klor tengka. Uniu nong yalam ke Kongres ula bo jingkeli yo menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal sangma u menteri ke Tnad penmi boarding u James PK sangma bat kumjo ye ke head officer jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bahato kene ka dei kelenti ban peniat ka company ka balam sya ke jing do nong bakot hado shispa klor tengka sisnem. U Zenit sangma uloong bahasa kawai ke kor kala ban penmi boarding 10 megawatt jong ka mentedu leshka hydroelectric project. Bat kani kelas nio menta bat lam sya ke jing do khajna bakot hado arpsan lak tengka sisngi. Ula kenthok teng eru ya ke jing bengkam shipor yu resident engineer jong ka mentedu leshka hydroelectric project kabala penlong ya ki engineer ka Tnad bakin penlong ya ke jing yaki.
That means for the last 1 year, these 2 machines under Umiam hydroelectric power project has not been restored, thereby incurring loss of more than 100 crores. Is it not a big amount in the context of the state of Meghalaya? Why the company has failed to restore it? Big question arises. On the 21st of July 2020, another machine having the generating capacity of 42 megawatt under Mintidu Leska project has also become out of order. I am not against any such action that has been taken against any officer. But why the management has failed to restore that machine? which is incurring huge loss to the state exchequer, to the company, which in turn comes to the state government as a burden, financial burden.
Ka Indian National Congress akan ikasngi kelapan sawajam yang kesor bagi sarkar jela kadai banpa Tohkit no da kenhuan balat lut kum ka Central Bureau of Investigation. Hakabede bat kajing keno Jingtreikam Bymhok hapo ka Tnad MeECL. Kentup ru ya kajing keno badan ka Jingtreikam sop-sop hapadang kani ka Tnad sarkar bat ki company ki bahe nasabar ka jela. Katkum kajing ong jong Zenit sangma ka Jingtreikam Bymhok kadai kajing thungkam ya ka officer badang red kerdan kum ka chairman ka managing director badru kajing thung ya ka kum ka director hagi shnat baper jong kani ka Tnad klem da buram ya ki kendon ka board of directors. Zenit sangma udah bu jingkli ba kumno ka officer badang don ha ka kerdan joint secretary kaliyo obat ka kam chairman ka managing director jong ka Tnad ka bajubat brush kata de ki officer ha ka kerdan chief secretary ne principal secretary. Uang bagini jing thong kam Bymhok kidai ki daw le asia ba penlong ya ka Tnad MeECL bantelot ha ka Jingtreikam. Haba pentip bakani ka chairman ka managing director ka dairu ka babat ado lightly ki kam director ha ka Tnad kata kum ka director of corporation, director of finance but joint secretary ka Tnad power uzen sangma uang bay ka Tnad sarkar la paniat menta tang da ka wi ka brio. Bad ya barok kirai jong ka board of directors ka Tnad kala Shim bet menta tang da ka officer. Haba keno bakani ka jing thong kam jong ka sarkar ka peni badan ka ai halendet ka ba penyo nong ne pen mento ya no ki badan ka bor sensyar.
Prior to this, very senior IS officers, not less than the rank of principal secretary, or maybe additional chief secretary, or even sometimes chief secretary used to occupy that post of CMD in MeECL. So now, surprisingly, very junior officer, just at the rank of joint secretary, has been met the CMD of such a big company, the company of more than 2,000 crores, the company which is having more than 4,000 employees. She herself is the joint secretary of power in the government. She herself is the director corporate affairs in the company, and she herself is the director of finance in the company. Never before we have seen this kind of things. And if you talk about the board of directors, the composition, who are there? The CMD, who is also the same person, the director of corporate affairs, who is also the same person, and two independent directors who has been pulled from outside, some retired officers. So whenever any important decision is taken in the board meeting of the board of directors, everything is monopoly. Who is getting benefit out of this? There is a reasonable doubt that there is something fishy.
Nalor ka niu ka Kongres ulong ba kajing Tohkit jong ka kenhuan balat luat ka dairu banlong halor kajing don ka Jingtreikam ba sop-sop jong ka MeECL bat ki company ki mana sabar ka jela. Katkum kajing ong jong kajing Ailad jong ka sarkar ban bat tang ka officer ya barok ki kam hapo ka Tnad kalaru bandai namar kani ka kam sop-sop bat ki company bana sabar. Ula keno bakani ka Jingtreikam sop-sop kala pau syai kedar na ka Jingtreikam ya ka Saubhagya scheme ha ka Tnad kal IT ya ka kam ka company na Mumbai ba Delhi kataru la IT hado sanpho na ka sispa palat ya ka schedule of rates kat bai ki contractor bana ka jelapan la ai tang lai pho na ka sispa halor ka niu lo bu jingkeliru halor ka jingtungkam sop-sop ya sispa arpu prangut kinong trei kum ki skilled multitasking assistant klem dapen mi ekanogono ka jingpen menang lait kam nalor kata ba ka jingtungkam lale akapor ba ka jela kadang don hapdeng ka Jingtreikam jong ka hukum khangdam.
One company from Mumbai based company and another Delhi based company, they got the work, they were awarded. The major chunk, 70% of the work were awarded to them, and that too 50% above the schedule of rate, 71% above the schedule of rates, But 30% of the total quantum of work which were given to the local contractors, the poor indigenous local contractors, were awarded as per the schedule of rate. So I want the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to respond and give categorical reply and respond to this allegation immediately.